getting there.
Go! Go! Still not? Are you good?
I don't know. I think it's a little bit. Temperamental, these things. Hard records. But you get that off somewhere.
Dalawa din yan.
Got to get it off
Ang
somewhere.
gamit rin.
Hindi kayo makatali ito.
Ha?
Makatali.
Mas dulak mo dyan. Bayo niya lang. Iwasan ng semana ba yung tempo? Semana. Balik ko siya.
No.
Basta.
No chance.
Try hammer it first. Hammer.
Hammer it in.
Yeah, hammer the screw. I think this is too good.
Bigyan mga gas na, di ginakanda.
Putang-tang, di po putang-tang yung kuhan.
Put down there.
Putang-tang.
Kasibo na yan.
Ha?
Kasibo, tidak po.
Dako po.
Awit na didulot niya.
Sa?
Didulot niya.
Yeah. That's what the needle.
Yeah.
The needle.
Sticky. Sticky, sticky. You know, mouthful of gasolina.
Mupo ka gasolina.
Nice.
It's like
Ubog.
it's like drinking tandoy.
Yeah. Woo. Let's just see that now. Just clean that out there with the gasolina. There. It's working now, sir.
Yeah.
Agas na. Nagas na.
That's lah. Pwede ay. Dagong pa din ya.
Ay, katuro din di ari mo. Didulot. Wala ay kung
Bit of clean that with something.
Yeah.
Cotton bud.
Meg. Puton ba sa talaga? Oh. Pusporo.
Clean this
Tokok
out.
pusporo puto na rin. Puton ba? Snake puton ba? Wala. Pusporo na lang kuan. Out.
Oh,
Tokok na lang.
Pusporo, yeah. Ah, yeah. Yeah.
Sarap mo ko po. Pupuya tayo.
Only one left.
I'll save it. Yo, you can have your back in a minute.
Sarap mo
It'll,
ko po.
it'll lie good.
Mote, wag na tayo.
Yeah, look. You can have that back. There you go.
Isa lang ka buo. Hey, blowing it?
Sucking.
6 seconds.
Blown together. Suck and blow. Suck and blow.
So you really take the gasoline.
Oh, I love it.
Taking the gasoline.
Nung di trabaho sila, baka ganyan. Ano sila may gamaan-ani.
Oh, ilig mo nila. Hindi unday ko sila. Plito mo sa mga gamit ito. Makapalit mo sila mga gamit. Kung gadaot po, di po nila madalag daot.
Stick it up.
Makapalit po sila. Bago. Palit na mo bago. Dire kay magtinder kay ayaw, samot na kadaot Ako nagasto sila, kaya man sila mahadlok ko gasto. Madaot magaling.
Stick it.
Samot magaling, paayaw mo nila dahil glain. Kaya man lang paayaw, or palit nila bago. Dire Pilipinas ya, hadlok mo ayaw kay hadlok ko samot.
Sticky. Good. Sticking that. It needs some sandpaper. Sticking, see? It's really tight. It should be really loose.
What are you gonna do that?
Have you got any sandpaper? This
Liha,
sandpaper?
papel liha. Namo diliha dire.
Dito, pare.
That's sticky. Very, very sticky.
Sandad.
It should be very loose. In and out, very loose. I bought a carburetor, but I give it to him for a
What?
spare carburetor for his engine. I bought him one.
Yeah.
Carburetor, brand new.
Then where is it?
It's in here, but it's like I give it to him for his engine.
Yeah. You already give it to him?
No, we keep it in there, spare.
Yeah, maybe you just... Yeah, he's not using his boat anymore.
Yeah. It's too tight. No,
Not going up.
it's moving now. There you go.
Stop.
Looks like fucking lose that jet.
Wala kang patutuloy yung hari do.
No sandpaper.
Wala na yun ako mga apa.
I tried to look down my bike if I got some there.
Oh, have you got some, have you?
I don't know, maybe. I got some before but I will try to look at it.
May mga do.
Tara, subahin ako. Yo, mapapa ko yo.
I've got some.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, little feet.
It's getting better. It's sliding in and out now. I'll lose that jet. Fucking lose that. Never find it. You've got to be started up all the time. See, every day. Just one start, you know.
Jadi antar-antar ya, oke lah.
Wala na kukot pagi ka dia. Parang dito tingog.
Wala gitu mo.
Karon pa pugi, karon pa pugi na.
Pantaro lang ba? Kaso sa kasamana.
Karon utro. Tingog na nga. Pandaro na kada semana.
Kaso lang sa kasamana.
Oo. Daot mi ginayang di ba sa
Taya hugaw ba? Pundo ba?
gamit sa magamit na din mo ano.
Nah, sa hugaw daan. Mapundo, magkadugang.
Dapat sa gas ko ano.
Kita. Apa dia kapalitan?
Kung mangot ko.
Sa imong mangkot pre.
O dala mo na atos kaya.
Dala na sa kayan. Bago gini magina ha. Balik na.
Ada.
Sikat na dapat.
Ato kung bango.
Ah, sikat na.
Daan naman siya.
Good. I think.
Yung tuko na eh.
Ah,
Where's the tape on it?
Tigulang na sila.
Agad?
Silingan sila ha.
Oo.
Bubalik.
Tara ba dito?
Masamo niya. Amerikano magyako.
Oh, tara ba dito?
Uban-uban ito managat. Mitilo. Mitilo ani.
Dala ko yan dire kay. Kami na pagtulong ko yun. Kuyo ko na po kuno yung praktisan ko yung kuan pamasok.
Konpot, balupot.
Lagay po nangandam niya daan.
Anharap mo walay balot.
Yeah, good.
I see. Yes. Yeah.
Awa na, ogas na.
Come on.
Oh,
Oh. Oh, yes. Job done.
Well, yeah, hopefully.
Hopefully. Makina specialist.
Makinas.
Gasoline. Need a coffee or something. Beer. We'll get a beer.
Ah, beer. Beer, good.
Yeah. Don't do with the fucking twiner. The spanner.
salamat to.
Why to?
Fucking terrible, mate. Honest to God.
Ay, over there.
Oh yeah.
Natura niya.
Hello.
Ano ka mo day?
Where's Sai Sai? Where's Sai Sai? Huh?
Kalobi.
Ah.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Oh.
Laay ka ba, May?
Wala.
Walay ka ba?
Palit na hatong irma. Ay, nakalida.
Ay, binta ka mong kwarta. Ay, mga punuro mo. Ay. Oh. Tawag tubig. Time na kwart.
Sa pikas agi, sina day. Saka mo day.
Ano na namin ko? Ay, tay.
I don't know where this fucking chalk goes either. Oh, there.
No
Goes
more.
in there. Fucking hell, all I can smell. Taste. Bad taste that. Not the best.
Karong Domingo hara wa kay maliguan eh.
Lagay na, bibon na talaga naman.
Ano sa ay nakatawan.
Top of the
Sila,
pot.
ano,
Not either.
masa?
Maaari sa mga tuwa kapitan kay bahay kay mga panty dahil maligo. Lagi, ano, sino po na dahil.
Hindi nga lagi kayo.
Ano agad, tabal sa mata ba?
Tambal suta. Ya, dahil ba sila? Pero layo kang dagat. Wala, gusto kaligo.
Kaya tayo, pero bunya, mabot na ibang kakapayo.
Ah, basta, kuhan.
Tao, tao.
Unas, layo kay dagat.
Ayo.
Huwag gini diri dapita, no?
Ha?
Unas, layo kayo ang dagat.
Wala. Wala yung gamit hani. Wala rin mo. Ito dito. Wala yung tira rin kayo. Ito ba?
Stick that on there, my friend. See what happens. We'll try. Try.
No need the cover.
Oh,
Wala.
where's my accelerator? Tell you, I can't remember where this goes. Did it go in here?
Ano, spring sa kan, gasolina.
Ah, in the hole here.
Naraw ka na. Na may buo diya. Buo sana ka na sa nylon tapat. Kusing.
Kare.
Oo, ana diya.
Kare?
Oo.
Kare, dada mo. This one.
Tapat sa nylon ba buo.
Ah,
Kana.
Ah, kanina kare?
Oo, may buo diya.
Kani kamay?
Hindi ka naghihuktan sa nylon.
Ah, dire na sa nylon. Ah, dire na sa nylon, right?
strong enough?
Uy, wala may central. Asin yan eh. Ow.
Right, let's try. Everything on in it. One. Gasolina's on. Gasolina on now, is it? Oh yeah, I can switch it. It's got to be. Yeah. I can move that in case it's got a big explosion. Dad, you've got no house because it's made of cowboy. Compression.
Inati gamay na daw.
Palalikod na.
Gamay na palihuka.
Gamay chop. Get that gone. That's it.
Madala dito sa iyo.
Press them down here. Give it a start. Yee.
Bro. Ano na puslo?
Still something not right. Oh, she's wet. There's plenty in there. Clean that out a little bit. Yeah, it's in there.
Isa tama din sundang. Ada mo ginagay. Agturo kita. Ana. Tumuan kita sa buwan. Tara, bawa pa. Uwa sa tulak ay ko. Gani ka nakasulat ko kasi pag mas balay.
Yeah, this is a one-start pull. This 2-start max.
Ito magkahumarag ba ito?
It was. That's probably the
Wait lang sila.
appropriate word. It was.
Paano lang? Kaya ko nag-kundis. Ay. Mahirap ka. Ka-horsin. Natural yan. Walang
I want to go, Delio, is it?
Ha? So?
Nanigagon, magamalik sa balay.
Sa bugira oh. Kulay gamay ana lang.
Feels like he wants to go.
Bakit digin ko na. Dalo na nga na din.
Delio.
Dalo na nga na niya dito.
Have another little look.
Dalo na ginaman niya na.
Alam to kaniha? Yap, ko kasulo.
Turn that off a minute.
Oh,
Gasoline. Try that again. Put it down and have a look. Gasoline. This is working. Well enough. Jets are clean. Wondering how long this is. Wondering how old this gasoline is. Maybe that actually started before you put a bit in there, didn't it?
As soon as that still going down there. This one is still okay.
Turn that out again. Nothing in there at the moment, that's good.
Sunday.
Yeah. Check it again for a spark. Yeah. It seems to be good though, isn't it?
Sobra.
Got a spark. I can leave it arcing out somewhere else.
Hindi ka spark.
Oh, that's good. Good spark. Give it a bit of a head start, eh? Oh. Where's that go, Delio, in there?
So,
Of course. Oh, in here, innit?
pernah saya.
That's broke off of there, Delio.
Putla na, putla.
Broke off of there, innit?
Wala putla, wala putla na, ano, kung saan.
Look like that. Was that like that? Glue.
Ya.
A bit of resin.
Putla na na,
Kada.
no, ato ba, putla ba? Kana.
Ya.
Inabay na ng puto. Ano? Katuputaw mo yung pakwan.
Ito.
Nagbihay, di mo alam. Kainom na.
Boom. One more.
Ah!
Dropping all gasoline in there now, is it?
Yeah, it's stuff. Did I reach? Yeah.
Yes. Crack bang wallop. That's this.
That's it.
There's a jet here. This jet. This one here.
No minor.
Yeah, it's a little air jet under here. Yeah.
Pwede na makamauno. Mayroong mo gusto.
Locked. Locked. Fucking proper blocked that bastard.
Ay, dagom dah. Yuk. Middle. Dagom. Aduh, dagom kan. Nak kata ini mungkin lah. Okay, dagom dah. What is one, my friends?
Ah.
It's gonna get in. It's big.
Yeah, big.
Yeah.
Big, I think.
Big.
Too big. Too big. Maybe this here. Maybe. Block that bastard.
Ano, magani din ito.
Get nice there.
Dito po.
That's 250 as well, I think.
Huh?
That's
It's looking for
250
the.
as well.
It's looking for the flyers.
Ah.
Make
You think this is too big and all?
still big.
Ito pagkuha niya dire, larga, wala na siya tingo-tingo.
It's a big hole to begin with, but it goes into a small hole. It's definitely blocked. What he wants is one of the wires off a wire brush. You know the tiny wires?
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
in a wire brush.
Can get in. Can get in.
It's too big. Small. You're like, I gave him one before, but I don't know what to do with it. Because I said keep it. It's like a little needle. I said keep it. And then when I cleaned his carburetor out. So what happens, you see, when you don't start them up every day.
Yeah. Maybe once a week.
Give it a good rev, you know.
Yeah.
Clean it all through and get the old gasoline, what was in the bottom of the car, through the new gasoline in it. You got like a wire brush, Delio?
Wire brush.
You know the brushes that you used to clean, like that wire brush, wire. What do you call them?
I don't know. I don't know how you call it. What do you call it? This is very small. How small is it? Smaller than that?
It's just like a wire brush, and you clean. You know, you normally clean your engines with it. Normally,
Nagay, one brush, steel brush.
Wala.
steel
No?
brush.
Yeah. Not steel brush? Is it a steel brush?
Yeah,
Yeah.
with like spikes on that.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
clean like that.
They don't have it.
Wala lagi dito.
Steel brush. Tingnan kaya carbonador sa akin. Tao din mo.
Ha?
Hindi tao din mo.
Asa man?
Tagaan ka yung carbonador siya.
Oh.
Tao din mo.
Dako po.
Tao ko. Ay, gamit din mo.
Oh.
It's some smaller than that. Delio, like in your little toolbox, you're like there was a tiny bit of wire that like I left in there in his toolbox.
Nako na siya wire gibilid siya.
There's a tiny bit you're like that I left in there before in your little toolbox.
Nasa wire gibilid.
Tiny bit.
Dako.
It's what I left in there. It's only a tiny bit.
Gamay lang ako na siya gamay kay wire gibutan sa tulbak.
Beach. It starts off as a big ore, but it goes to the
Yeah,
tiny.
I see that. He said that the one carburetor you gave him to him is also broken.
Is it?
Yeah. I asked him about the carburetor.
It's broken.
Yeah, also.
Yeah. It's still in the box.
He used it. Yeah.
Or maybe. Oh, that's my
Mixer?
fishing thing.
Wala may sweet. Wala may
No,
wire.
it was in his toolbox. Is there anything in there small enough?
Wire, nylon wire.
Iyahan mo na.
Sa imo ang toolbox ko lang niya gisulod.
Is it his
Sa
toolbox?
toolbox nimo.
It was in your toolbox, Delio.
Wala.
Wala kay mga wire din kung po yun. Wire lang dyan. That's not too big.
Same size as that, isn't it?
Yeah, I know. That's much smaller, I think. Mga wire lang yun. Kaya ganito na ako ang kuhan mo. Yung bronze eh.
It was in his toolbox.
It's not there. Oh, wire lang, wire.
Ah, yeah. That's good. Yeah. You're like a strand of that. Yeah, a strand of that.
Okay na. Hirap ito makaputol. Ano na ako na. Kutsilyo ito. Tingnan ron. Sa ilahala. Ang uli. Katahan man niya di paandara dito, ato na dito.
It's gonna be strong enough.
Yeah.
I don't know. Might just fucking pain. Try.
Kumain ko.
May kayo?
Yeah, done.
Yeah, good. Yeah, dari
Yan ang mga gamit niya. So,
Ano yun?
wala na, nabuhot na. Basta maaging dagat. Kaya nabasa naman ah. Ang naku, gagmay kayo wire ako kuda-kuda.
Pero lumayan po kayo ito. English lang yun kayo.
Fucking eyes not good. Through.
It's good. Good trip.
Well, it's gone through, but
Let's stop.
Hey,
This one.
stop.
Start coming back. Ready.
Oh no, because the spring, yeah.
Spring.
I'll just. Which is on and off? Is that on or off? What I'll do is I'll leave it there because I've got the. Oh yeah, I'll put that.
Ano sa spring kay? Uli na ron ako.
It's all fucking fiddly, isn't it? Fiddly doo da. Something like that. What?
The chalk, the chalk.
Chalk's on. And let's try it first. long has the gasoline been in there?
Since that time you use it.
That's what it is.
Do.
Rain! Yeah, try it again. See if it starts. It should start first pour. You know, that should start without that now.
Yeah,
It should just, it should. I know you have, I can tell.
Drinking. No money. Mahinay naman siya magdala ng kwan. Kaya, napa may minum na. Oh, pwede pa. Oh, minum raw siya. Mahinay naman. Kadala daw. Bangka. Hinay na dagat. Yalar. Kumati naman na. Minor.
Stock mang gasolina.
Oh.
I think that gasoline is old.
Dugay na gasolina.
Lugay ang gasolina.
That's why it's
Stock.
a bit.
Mali makabulan
Oh,
na.
ugaw. Yan ang change. Change. Kwan. Gasolin.
I'll get some new gasoline for it. I'll put some new gas because that gasoline will just stick up. Hello, nice to see you again. I'm back. It's her beach.
Yeah.
That over there is hers.
I think we should just take it home so that you can
Yeah.
turn it off day by day
Yeah.
before we get here.
That's what I'll do. I'll take it home
Yeah.
and I service it, clean it. I'll probably put a new carburetor on there.
Ako lang na paganda ron dire.
Get rid of
Yeah,
that.
dala.
Kanyang gasolina na ron stock man makayo. Mali man nakabulan.
Wala namang init ba? Should just take it home.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Hindi pa
Day by day.
Kapag kabang hilam wa.
I can. So then, you know, before I come, I know it's working.
Yeah.
Wala ba iyo?
Just a bit.
I'll leave it here though, it'll cool down. It's fucking too hot. Ah,
Ganyan na makinarong. May ganun mga 15 anyos na ni.
tell you what, thank you, my friend.
Oo.
I'll leave them there. I'll leave it there, Deliox. It's
It's hot.
in it. Fucking in it, yeah, in it, kayo.
Ilang pandaro na ako ng karas si Mana.
Yan ang dalon pang muli.
Adaro
Yan ang
ya.
lipihan sa kuno dito.
Pamay pa.
Yeah.
Wala, oo.
Take it home, and then
Sige.
I'll probably buy a new carburetor for it. What I'm going to do is get a key start. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They 8,000.
Or the key start.
Yeah, you change the flywheel. It's got a charger in the battery, and that's in there, and just dum.
Taora rin yung squad.
Fuck that.
Ibihanan.
The conversion.
No more pulling.
Yeah, but the pull's there for emergency.
Yeah.
Emergency.
It's still there.
Yeah, it's still
Ay,
there.
battery siya na eh.
Oh, battery.
Ana, kinuha na ko ng tripulante.
So just see if it starts on the tick over.
One click.
Yeah.
One pull.
Click niya.
My friend, You okay? Right, I'm gonna have a beer. I'll leave it there, Daddy, because it's in it, ayo. Put it in it. I'm gonna have a beer. Want a beer? Want a beer?
Where are we going to buy some? Get a
There's a little shop here.
shop
But,
here.
we've got to put ice, because they've got no refrigerator. We'll buy ice. Want a beer? A drink?
No, I think not. Still got a stone, kidney stone.
Oh yeah, no good.
Very good. Inom ta siya, sabi mo. Inom.
Sumulo 4 ra.
Inom pa ka? Dili ta.
Lagi na ko senior na ka.
Ay, napapagay mo pang uligon. Bawal na.
Mama lagi.
Giyo, salamat Giyo.
Salamat. Oh.
Ah!
Are la pa dali, tambay-tambay, stress to ra. Managi guys, ayun na siya. Dalon niya ako na to kay. Tama ko tong limpihan. Dalon niya ako to.